You ready to go fishing? You ready to go fishing? He's out here drooling because Daddy just ran in there. Got her favorite morning biscuit. And she's drilling out the window. So we just filled up, heading to the water. See y'all there. Lorelai, see them ducks? Duck dog, where you at? Look at all them ducks. Just poop all over the boat docks. Just poop all over the parking lot. There's duck poop everywhere out here. It's getting crazy. Let's see, there's a kitty cat. And there's ducks. Which one you going to play with? We'll see. We'll see. She's a good girl. You gonna go say hey to the ducks? There's more of them than you. I don't think they want to play with you, baby girl. Lorelai, 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 Lorme, leave the duck alone. They don't want to play with you. They're scared of you. What is up, guys? Beautiful morning out here. We got a couple hours. We're gonna fish around, try some new stuff. Y'all stay tuned, come along with us today. Enjoy it. Hope everybody has a blessed weekend. Let's get after them. We're gonna run this bank over here real quick with a buzz bait. Maybe throw a frog at some good isolated cover. See if we can't get Big Mama to come up and chew on something this morning. Let's go. Little sucker crushed it. Got it. That was sloppy. Ran in the trolling motor and everything. Got it good. Fish number one, something, huh? We on the board, ain't we? We on the board. Thank you. Want to give it a kiss? On the board. Knew it. Little sucker. Misty, little guy, he got off at the boat. So a buzz bait for me is awesome because I can cover a lot of water. But let me show you guys something real quick. So that isolated tree branch that's sticking up, or if it's a stump or whatever, you almost got to expect a blow up or a bite by that. So what I do is try to throw it a good 5, 6, 7 feet past the object and reel it to the stump and expect a bite, because most of the time if you're getting bites on buzz bait, it's going to be right when you're reeling it past something like that that's sticking out by itself, that's isolated. Just be ready for it. It's fun. Just works for me. We're gonna flip back and hit this bank again with a Carolina rig and see what happens. I've never caught a fish on a Carolina rig. Trying something different today. It's a very, very sharp drop off. Like 5 feet from the bank, it drops off 20 feet. So I've had good luck on this bank in the fall. But we're gonna try it with the Carolina rig. Just drag this little drop off and see if we can't get bit. Do something new. Today, I almost didn't come because it's east wind. It's supposed to pick up a good bit, and you know what they say, when it's coming out of the east, fish bite the least. So north kind of messes me up even worse, and it's like east northeast today. So I almost didn't come, but you know what, any day I can get out and fish, you know, at least wet a line and be out here and enjoy the weather, I'm gonna do it. We're dropping from a 3/8 swim jig to a 1/4 ounce. A lot of these bait fish that I'm seeing, they're scattering across the surface, whatever. So 1/4 ounce, you know, I can keep it up on the top of the water and slow it down and just let it sit there and flutter and better mimic a bait fish. In reality, that's all we're doing. Trying to mimic what they're eating, and they're chasing them. There's bass right there. Oh my goodness, there's bass right there. Yes, yes, look at this. Dude just spit up a big nasty shad. Big nasty shad. Just spit that up. Yes, buddy. Woo! Jig fish are so much fun. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for biting. Little fat belly. I'll take that. That's a healthy one for right now, man. That's a good little healthy fat joker. Good old jig fish, boy. Snatched him out. Remember this little shade pocket. I'm telling you, man, bite turns on around lunchtime when it's hot. That's when I've been getting the best fish. So sucks because it's hot, but we out, chill. So we got stagnant bank up there, and then we got this current ripping through here, and it's just running into this little pocket. And I just flipped up here in this little shade pocket. He thumped it before it even hit the bottom. He thumped it, pulled him out of there. So there's a whole bunch of activity in this pocket here. There's a shallow ledge. There's a ledge right there and a point coming out. And these bass are chasing shad all up through here. I think they're just like gizzard shad. Looks like that's what he spit up on my boat. But yeah, this current just is pushing all this bait. I could see bait little balls all on my screen and see them swimming, jumping out of the water when you throw in there. So pay attention to everything going on around you. When it's hot like this and the sun's high, flipping these little shade pockets. It kind of gets easier when the sun gets high. There's less shade for the bass to be in, and they'll be in there unless they're out roaming around. I've seen two nice ones over here on this point roaming around, but they just ran from anything I tossed towards them. So bunch of bait. I don't know if you guys can see this. There's gizzard shad everywhere in here. Big old ball of gizzard shad right there. Should probably throw in a bait that looks more like a shad, but I just caught one on this. So maybe they'll think it's a crawfish, maybe they'll think it's a bluegill, or caught anything on this bank. And I think the only reason they're here is because of these shad. But I'm down for it. I'm down for it. The shad's what brought me over here. Dang bowfin right there. Big bowfin. See if we can catch him just for fun. I might eat it. Give it a little shake. Give it a little shake. Nope. Oh my gosh. Woo, that's what happens when you try to skip and you hit the water. Good gosh. Why'd I do that? Trying to get under there. Happens sometimes. That's why I'm the king of getting backlashes out. We're gonna do it again. Messed up my bait. Think. Yup. Stay up there, little buddy. Oh, I get it now. Had to get that out of my system. There we go. There we go. Let's see if we get rewarded. Let's see if we get rewarded. Log. Let's get rewarded right here. Come on. Come on, fishy. I know you back there. Nope. All for nothing. All for nothing. Good gosh, at all those gizzard shad. Ooh, fish on. Fish just hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Fish hit it, hit it. Might have been a brim. Yeah, she needs to get in the water. What's up, guys? We made it to our little island. The boys love this place because it's got this sweet rope swing. We'll get some footage for y'all of them hitting this rope swing. Do a flip.
I got yoinked.